KFI-35V Optical Fiber Identifier Product Introduction and Use. 1. The new design of the Optical Fiber Identifier. All-metal fuselage, anti-drop and durable. Dust cap design, effective dust-proof. Equipped with a high-brightness LED flashlight. Built-in visual fault locator, VFL, function. 3 signal frequencies can be identified. Universal for SM and MM fiber. For kinds of chucks easy to operate and change. The patented design of the fixture storage bin is convenient for storage. Slope design of battery storage compartment. Easy to remove the battery. 2. Fiber identifier button function. Push the trigger and the machine turns on. Pull the trigger and the machine turns off. Press the blue button, turn on the LED flashlight. Press the orange button, always on red light mode. Press the orange button again, red light flashing mode. 3. How to use the fiber identification instrument. No need to interrupt your business, and you can test online. It can quickly detect the direction, frequency, and power of fiber optic signals. Install a lens shield to avoid external light interference.